Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You have the file open, so start by placing a block comment where you need it. Type /*, then your note, or the CSS lines you want disabled, and close with */. This prevents the browser from reading that section, so it's great for temporary debugging or leaving implementation notes. Once done, make sure to save the file or apply changes in DevTools so the comment takes effect. You'll see disabled declarations vanish from computed styles. You can comment out multiple rules quickly by selecting the block and adding /* at the start and */ at the end. Many editors provide a toggle comment shortcut. Use it to speed up tests. Keep in mind, CSS does not support nested block comments, so if you comment a region already containing /**// you'll break the style sheet. If you must annotate inside a block, remove inner comments first, then reapply the outer comment. Make sure to check syntax after changes. After commenting, save and reload the page to confirm the effect. Use a hard refresh or clear cache if styles persist. To restore rules, simply remove the /* and */ markers and save again. If styles disappear unexpectedly, make sure you did not leave an unmatched /*. That single mistake can comment out the remainder of the style sheet. If that happens, search for the missing */ or use your editor's syntax highlighting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.